Best deals.
1. Egg boiler. With a 6-egg capacity for boiling at a time to poaching 2 eggs in a go, it can handle a variety of cooking styles, from soft and medium boiled eggs to perfectly hard boiled eggs. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Egg boiler. A measuring cup with piercing pin also comes with 350 W power to boil and steam foods quickly. It has a boil dry protection that cuts off the supply once the water is finished, equipped with steam, egg plate for boiling 8 eggs at a time or steaming vegetables, meat or fish. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Electric pan. Be used as dosa tawa non-stick pan, uttapam, pancake pan, egg pan, tawa ensures a hassle-free cooking experience. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cooker. High-quality nano-ceramic glaze, boiler heats evenly and efficiently. Experience hassle-free cleaning. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Frying pan. Crafted with high-quality materials, this multi-purpose cookware set ensures durability and efficient heat distribution for consistent non-stick hotpot cooking results. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Electric cooker. The transparent glass cover ensures that the food is easy to see during the cooking process. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tandoor grill. Fitted with stainless steel heating element which can last long, corrosion-proof, suitable for using for continuous hours. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Fryer. Tank comes with non-stick coating with adjustable temperature setting for healthy frying and its 30 minutes timer control option used for auto switch off for convenience. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Fryer. Equipped with a high-quality thermostat that helps maintain precise and consistent frying temperatures. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Air fryer. With unique starfish design to ensure better heat distribution for evenly cooking results. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Air fryer. Energy efficient, reducing your utility bills while helping you serve delicious meals to your loved ones. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Digital air fryer. The touch control feature makes it user-friendly, providing a hassle-free cooking experience. This air fryer comes with 12 presets and adjustable temperature settings for precision. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Grill. Allows for easy frying, grilling, baking, defrosting, and roasting through these 5 preset functions and a touch control feature which makes it user-friendly, providing a hassle-free cooking experience. Air fryer comes with adjustable temperature settings ranging from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius and a time setting from 1 to 60 minutes. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Air fryer. Contains up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods without losing the delicious tastes and crispy textures. Rapid 360 degrees air circulation cooks your food more quickly than ovens and with a minuscule amount of oil compared to deep-fried foods. Comes with non-stick pan and detachable basket equipped with a cool touch handle. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Steamer. Perfect to quickly cook rice, boil or fry veggies. Just plug and switch on, adjust the temperature as per recipe requirement and your food will be cooked automatically. Comes with adjustable temperature control to cater wide range of cooking options. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cooker. Concealed heating element with stainless steel kettle bottom, resulting in convenience to clean, has rotary, 360, cordless base lead to the convenience for use. It's perfect for making tea, coffee, or boiling milk, catering to various beverage needs effortlessly. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cooker. It has outer cool touch. Body and handle makes it easy to carry. The inner bowl and trivet is made up of anodized aluminum which makes it sturdy and durable. It comes with measuring cup and spatula for convenience. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Strainer. Crafted from durable 304 grade stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and ensures uniform heat distribution. allowing you to achieve culinary perfection with every dish. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cooker. Steam vegetables, meat, fish as well as boil eggs effortlessly with the steamer attachment, single button with cook and keep warm function for easy operation. Non-stick coating cooking pans, easy to clean. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Egg boiler. Convenient buzzer timing alarm ensures you achieve the ideal level of doneness for your eggs, guaranteeing perfectly boiled eggs every time. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Steamer. Better response to temperature change to minimize cooking time, easy to store compact design. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Steamer. Multi-purpose as you can use the pot for cooking without the steamer, dishwasher safe. Tempered glass laid with steam release, smooth mirror finish for lustrous appearance. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Rice cooker. Enjoy effortless cooking as the smart cooking algorithm is designed to automatically cook delicious rice, with the removable non-stick inner pot, detachable inner lid, auto clean function. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Steamer. Healthy steamed dishes by cooking without oil, retains flavor, salts and vitamins for a healthier and tastier cooking, safety boil dry protection and transparent with water level window, suitable for gifting on Diwali and other special occasions. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Air fryer. 360 degrees high-speed circulating hot air, 3-dimensional convection, so that the pot is evenly heated while baking out the fat of the food to lock in the juices and nutrients, retaining the crispy outside and tender inside. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Egg boiler. The built-in timer, buzzer and auto shut-off gets it right every time. Faster than conventional stovetop methods. Perfect as a back-to-school gift for dorms, apartments, RV campers, camping, small and lightweight. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Cooker kettle. Designed with features like a concealed heating element, variable temperature control, automatic cutoff for dry heating. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Steamer. Hassle-free cooking with steamer and additional cooking pot accessories. Reliable micro switch for switching operation. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Kettle. Equipped with dry boil protection, the kettle automatically shuts off when there is no water and prevents damage. Product link is given in the 29th link. Thanks for watching.